Everyone wants to stay young, energetic, and sharp, but what if the very foods you eat are silently draining your NAD, plus the molecule that keeps your cells alive, energetic, and youthful? In today's video, we'll uncover 5 common foods that lower your NAD plus levels and accelerate aging, and what you can eat instead to protect your health. First on the list, sugary drinks. Soda, energy drinks, and even packaged fruit juices flood your body with glucose and fructose. High sugar spikes damage your mitochondria and overwhelm NAD+, forcing your cells to waste this vital molecule in processing sugar instead of repairing your DNA. Over time, this not only lowers NAD+, but also speeds up insulin resistance and cellular aging. Second, processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli slices. These are loaded with nitrates and advanced glycation end products, both of which trigger oxidative stress. Your body burns through NAD+, trying to neutralize these compounds. That means less NAD+ for repairing DNA or keeping your mitochondria strong. Studies even link high processed meat intake to faster cellular decline. Third, alcohol. A glass of wine here and there might be fine, but regular heavy drinking is a NAD+ killer. Why? Because your body needs NAD+ to break down alcohol in the liver. If you're constantly drinking, your cells spend most of their NAD+ detoxing instead of repairing. This explains why alcohol accelerates aging in skin, brain, and liver health. Next up, ultra-processed snacks. Chips, cookies, packaged cakes. All of them are packed with trans fats, refined carbs, and artificial additives. These not only increase inflammation but also trigger oxidative stress that rapidly depletes NAD+. Your body is left fighting constant fire instead of restoring your energy. And finally, refined carbs, white bread, pasta, pastries. These break down into sugar quickly, spiking blood glucose and forcing your body into NAD+ overdrive. Unlike whole grains that release energy slowly, refined carbs cause roller coaster energy crashes, leaving your cells exhausted. So what's the solution? It's not about avoiding all foods you love. It's about being mindful. Replace sugary drinks with water or green tea. Swap processed meats for lean proteins. Choose whole grains over refined carbs. And keep alcohol occasional. Protecting your NAD+ is protecting your energy, focus, and longevity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, we'll reveal the top foods that actually boost your NAD+ and slow down aging. Stay tuned. Your longevity journey is just beginning.